Hello everyone and welcome back to our Python learning series. I hope you're doing great and enjoying your Python learning journey. In our previous videos, we learned about variables and data types. We now know how Python stores different kinds of information. But imagine this. Suppose you have two numbers, 10 and 20. How will you add them? How will you subtract them? How will you multiply them? How will you divide them? Python cannot perform these operations automatically. For that, Python uses something called operators. Today's topic is one of the most important topics in programming. That topic is arithmetic operators. By the end of this video, you will learn what are operators, why operators are important, addition operator, subtraction operator, multiplication operator, division operator, floor division, modulus, exponent, real life examples, practice exercises. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. What are operators? Let's understand this with a simple example. Imagine you are using a calculator. When you press add sign, the calculator adds two numbers. When you press minus sign, it subtracts. When you press multiply sign, it multiplies. When you press divide sign, it divides. Python works in exactly the same way. An operator is a symbol that tells Python to perform an operation. In simple words, operators are special symbols that perform different tasks on data. Without operators, Python cannot perform calculations. Every software you use today depends on operators. Instagram counts likes, YouTube counts views, games calculate scores, bank apps calculate balances, shopping websites calculate discounts. All of this happens because of operators. Arithmetic operators overview. Python provides several arithmetic operators. Operator meaning addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, exponent. Don't worry if some of these look new. We will understand every operator with real life examples. Addition operator puns. The addition operator is represented using the plus symbol. It is used to add two or more numbers. Example A 10, B 20. Print A plus B. Output 20. Simple right? Real life example. Suppose you scored Maths 45, Science 50. Total marks Maths 45, Science 50. Print Maths plus Science. Output 95. Another example. You have 500. Your friend gives you 200. Total money 700. This is addition. Subtraction operator minus. The subtraction operator is represented using minus. It subtracts one number from another. Example, wallet 1000, shopping 35, printed 50, printed wallet months of shopping, output 6 into 50. Real life example, suppose your phone battery is 100%. After using YouTube, battery becomes 65%. Battery used less than 5%. Subtraction helps us calculate the remaining value. Another example, a cricket team scored 180 runs, the opponent scored 150. Winning margin 30 runs. Again, subtraction. Multiplication operator type. Multiplication is represented using multiplier. It multiplies numbers. Example, price 200, quantity 3. Print price into quantity. Output 600. Real life example. Suppose one notebook costs 80. You buy 5 notebooks. Total cost 80 into 5. Output 400. Another example. Movie ticket 250. 4 friends 250 into 4. Total 1000. Multiplication is used everywhere. Division operator slash. Division is represented using it divides numbers. Example marks 500, subjects 5, print marks divide subjects, output 110. Notice something. Even though both values are integers, Python gives 110 because the division operator always returns a float. Real life example. Suppose your monthly salary is 60,000. You want to calculate your weekly average. Python uses division. Another example. A pizza is divided among 4 friends. One pizza, divide 4, each friend gets 1/4. Floor division, modulus and exponent. Floor division removes the decimal part. Example, print 10 floor division 3, output 3, son. Python ignores the decimal. Modulus percent %d. Modulus gives the remainder. Example, print 10 modulus 3, output 1, because 10 modulus 3, remainder 1. Real life example. Suppose there are 25 students. Each bus carries 4 students. The remaining students can be found using modulus. Exponent. Exponent means power. Example, print 5 power 2. Output 25 because 5 into 5 25. Another example, print 2 power 5. Output 72. Mini project. Let's create a simple calculator. 20 B5 print addition addition sign B, print subtraction subtraction B, print multiplication multiplication B, print division division B, print floor division floor division B, print modulus modulus B, print exponent exponent B. Run this program yourself. Observe every output carefully. Try changing the values. Learning happens through practice. Quiz and recap. Let's test your understanding. Question 1. Which operator is used for multiplication? A. Addition. B. Multiplication. C. Modules. D. Float division. Question 2. Which operator returns the remainder? Question 3. What will be the output? Print 15 float division 4. Question 4. What will be the output? Print 3 power 3. Pause the video. Try answering these questions before checking the answers yourself. Recap. Today we learned what are operators, arithmetic operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, float division, modulus, exponent. Congratulations! You have learned one of the most important topics in Python programming. In the next video, we will learn assignment operators in Python and see how they make our code shorter, cleaner, and more efficient. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Happy coding!